Tonyana. I'm Handanya. We will present our storytelling. I am a news anchor. I am a reporter. I ask the reporter question. I answer accordingly. Sally, what is the weather like in the universe? Yes, it is very cold here. Sally, what does it look like there? Yes, the stars are pretty here, and it's very big and it's wonderful. Sally, are you uncomfortable living there? No, this place is peaceful and good. But it's dangerous comes the laundry. Yes, Ellie. Then I finish here. Lesson 2. I am a hair designer. I am a guest. I want to dye my hair again. Dun-dun! Hello, guest. What kind of hair do you want? Please put some black in brown. Yes. Sit down, please. Your hair is a lot, miss. Tuck, 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 tuck. After 30 minutes. Wow, it's pretty. Thank you, guys. Bye. Lesson 3. We are taking a walk. Look at the bees. Wow, they are flying over the flowers. Look at the ladybugs. Wow, they are sitting on the flowers. Look at the ants. Wow, they are carrying the leaves. Look at the snails. Wow, they are crawling up the tree. Look at the spiders. Wow, they are making webs in the tree. The birds are very interesting. Thank you for listening. Bye.